here. We're going to extend it. And we're going to screen it in. Okay guys, here is the deck. Started on it today. Got all the railings down, all the pickets, all that crap. Yesterday I actually dug my footings for the post. Next weekend I start my vacation and we start tearing the whole thing apart. So the only thing we're going to do is keep the bones of it. Take off the deck, take off the roof, replace all that, expand the deck. It's actually going to come out about 4 feet, roughly. And same thing on this end, as you can see that post right there. About 4 feet. So then we go next weekend, start a vacation, and I'm going to spend all week tearing this thing apart. Steps coming down, this is going to get extended out. Like I said, then replace everything. And basically put a new roof on it, screen it in, and we're good to go. So that's what she's looking like. Of course, the old 4x4 posts will be gone. It's just haven't gotten there yet. But anyway, and then our steps are going to go right here, platform, and then the steps will go down that way, and steps will go down that way. So, and the door right there in the middle. All right. Well. We'll see you next time.